Where is Dad?
It's very late.
Dad should be home. Is Dad okay? Maybe he's here. Dad. Oh no!
Dad was still missing.
I'm worried. I'm worried. Why isn't Dad answering?
Still nothing.
Where are you, Dad? I miss Dad.
Wait. Who?
What is it? Huh?
It's from Dad.
Dad is okay?
Dad is safe. Don't worry, we'll figure something out.
My car stopped working. I need help. I'm calling for help. Help arrived. Thank you. Thank you. We'll fix this. We'll fix this. I appreciate it.
Come home soon.
Tom kept waiting.
Tom fell asleep.
Dad is home. Dad!
You're back. You're back.
I missed you.
We're so happy.
We're so happy.
My car broke down.
Kanta down.
Always ask for help when you need it.